Cannabidiol, or CBD for short, is an oil derived from cannabis. It contains none of the psychoactive ingredient tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, so there's no high from it. But the many health benefits claimed for CBD, including reducing inflammation, pain relief, and reducing anxiety, has seen its use in foods, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics become one of the fastest growing trends in the process industry. SILVERSON high-speed, high-shear mixers are increasingly being used for R&D and small-scale production in this emerging market. They're ideal for a wide range of applications, including blending, emulsifying, dissolving, disintegrating, and powder liquid mixing. A SILVERSON can easily mix liquids of widely different viscosities, so high-viscosity CBD oil can be blended in a fraction of the time taken by conventional mixers. One of the main production challenges is dispersing the oil into aqueous systems such as beverages, as minimizing the droplet size is the key to maximizing the yield of the active ingredient. With a SILVERSON, this can be achieved almost instantaneously. The same goes for other ingredients such as flavoring essences, which can be difficult to disperse. For emulsions such as creams and lotions, the high shear action of a SILVERSON mixer finally disperses the droplets to give a stable emulsion with a typical droplet size of 2 to 5 microns. Finer emulsions down to 0.5 microns can also be achieved, depending on the formulation. By simply changing the workhead, the mixer can also be used to perform many other operations, such as preparation of gels and sugar solutions, disintegrating solids, and incorporating powdered ingredients such as stabilizers and other supplements. Another advantage of SILVERSON mixers is scaling up from the laboratory to full production is a straightforward process, as all our mixers are engineered to the same fine tolerances and exceptional quality we've been known for over 70 years. Whether you're looking to make beverages, gummies, snacks, baked goods, or creams, shampoos, lotions, or capsules, a SILVERSON mixer offers the most versatile and efficient solution to your mixing requirements. Contact us today to arrange a free trial so you can see the benefits for yourself.